To remove the rear grille cover, use a flat-headed tool to pry the rear grille cover off of the back cover. A tool is available in the toolbox behind the Voodoo cover at the front of the unit. The rear grille cover has several tabs that fit into slots on the rear cover of the PC. There is a clipped corner of the rear grille cover to assist in alignment of the cover to the clipped corner on the back cover. To replace the rear grille cover, press all the tabs into their slots until the cover has completely snapped into place.